If Windows Update is stuck failing with error 0x80070002, here's the exact fix and one thing that causes this specific error that people miss. This code usually shows up after an update download gets interrupted partway through, like a reboot mid-download or a sudden loss of disk space. So before anything else, quick check. Open File Explorer, right-click your C drive, hit Properties, and make sure you've got at least 10 to 15 gigabytes free. If you're low on space, that alone can cause this. Free some up and try the update again first. If you've got plenty of space and it's still failing, the fix is resetting Windows Update's cache. Here's how. Open Start, type CNB, right-click Command Prompt, run as administrator. Stop these services one at a time, pressing Enter after each. It should look like this when you're done. For the next step, let's open File Explorer and rename the cache folders to .old. I will put the commands and file paths in the description. Open Command Line as an administrator again. Then restart the services. Now check for updates again. This combo, checking disk space first, then clearing the cache, clears this error almost every time. If this worked, hit like and subscribe. I post a new Windows fix every week. Full written steps are linked below if you want to copy the commands directly.